Welcome to this YouTube tutorial. On this tutorial, I will show you how to track a YouTube video using Google Spreadsheet. I've already copied the video ID and I'm bringing it here in the spreadsheet. Once I paste it, I can automatically see the title of the video, the name of the YouTube channel, the number of views, the date the video was published, the number of comments, and a thumbnail. I can also click to the link and go back and watch the video. I can track as many videos as I like. So let me show you the script. We'll be using two functions on edit listener. The name of the spreadsheet is called track YouTube video. The name of the sheet is sheet 1. And if you want to go to the script, where the script are, you can click on script editor. Once you click on script editor, then you can reach here. And I have two functions, get videos info, and the other one is called on edit. They are both on edit events. One needs to be activated, the other one do not need to be activated. Okay, let's start with the activation process. There's a link to the spreadsheet and also a link to the script below this video. You can just copy the spreadsheet and you will have a copy of the spreadsheet and a copy of the script as well, so that everything can be done. But the activation part is very important. So to do the activation, you need to go to script.google.com. Here you can see all your project and you select, like for me, we are working on track YouTube video. You look for the three dots, and once you click it, you will see the triggers. You click on triggers and you select the function that you are interested in. These are my triggers. It's already activated, but I'll just show you how to activate the trigger. You click on add trigger. The name of the function is there, and head from spreadsheet on open. You click on open, and on edit, you click on edit, then you click save. Okay, so that's it. That's the activation. I don't need to click save because mine is already activated. The name of the function, get video info, and the on edit. You'll find it on open. Make sure you change it to on edit. Once it's on edit, then you click save and it's ready for you. Okay, the next step is to go to the advanced services. You click on resources and advanced services, then go all the way down to YouTube data API and turn it on. Okay, once it's on, then everything is ready for you. So I've just tried it. That means it's ready. So just make sure the sheet name, mine is sheet 1. The sheet name is here on the first function and also on the second function. That's the only thing that you need to change. Also, if you only need maybe 10 videos, here in the for loop, you can do from row number 2 to row number 10. If you want to track maybe 100, what the for loop is just make this first column active. The top one is not. I'm not counting it. That's why I start from row number 2. This is row number 2, and you can do from row number 2 to row number 7, 1000, whatever. So if you want to refresh this one, you can just copy the video ID, delete it. Then once you paste it back, it will give you the latest view count of that particular video. Yeah, I hope I'm clear. You can track as many videos as you like. This technique is very handy for people who watch so many YouTube videos. Maybe they don't have time to watch, but you can put it here for later. This is better than a spreadsheet. This is better than a playlist, because on playlist you cannot sort. You don't have as many options as you have here. Here you can see you can sort by the number of comments, you can sort by the date that it was published, you can sort by the views, and yeah, however you want. So I hope this will assist you. I hope you will know how to use it. I use it a lot myself to just add videos that I think I may, watch it later for inspiration. And by just focusing on the number of comments, I will know that people really love this video. People found this video interesting, and once I watch it, I will easily get inspiration, and I can also make my own video or a video commentary about it or whatever. So if you want to be able to track all videos at once, I can write a script for you. Then from here you can run the script to get the update of all the URL at once. But with this you cannot really run the script, because you are only able to edit one at a time. So like if I paste, like let me try to paste. If I paste maybe 4 or 5 video IDs at once, only one will be updated. Let me try 2. Okay, this is the second one. Let me get another one. This one, copy, paste, and copy just the ID and paste. Okay, like now I have 3 URLs that have all been updated. 3. I have okay. The last one is not getting updated. Why? Maybe I did not get everything. I did copied everything, but why it's not working? Okay, it has been updated. Okay, now I have 3 URLs. Let me copy just the URLs and try to delete everything. Okay, I delete everything. Everything has been deleted. If I paste 3 at once, only one will be updated. That's because you can only edit one cell at a time. But if you have added so many video IDs and you want to update all at once, I have other scripts that can help you do that. For now, it's just for manual edit. Once you paste a video ID manually, then you get everything automatically. So like now I need to delete this and paste it again to get the details. And this one I do the same thing, copy, delete, and paste again. Then I get all the details. Okay, I hope the script will help you, and I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I have reached the end.